I'm getting there. Trying to get my water heater working. It kind of works, but it doesn't heat up the water because there's no water. And this is gonna be the problem. This is the one-way valve that allows the water to go into the heater and not return back into the water tank. And it was stuck. And it is not stuck anymore. So I'm gonna put it back together. Put it where it belongs. I need a PTFE tape. No. That's better. That is so much better. There it is. That needs to go in there. And in there. That way. It's so tight. I don't think that little pump is capable to actually do it. But what do I know, right? I'm not qualified plumber. Just a human being who does it. Yes. Okay, that's one. Another one. And do it like this. And take a piece of it. And gently put on that piece of it. In there. Okay, that is good. Great. Wash my hands. Nice and clean. Okay. Let's see if the water goes into there. Do we just have a little bit of a pressure? We have water. Oh my god. On that note, I think we need to fire up the heater. Okay. Gas supply. I did hear the fire starting up. So if we have water in there now, it is slowly warming up. Yeah, the tank is warm. It's probably about 30 degrees now, but it is getting warm. I feel like I'm gonna have a shower tonight. Oh my god. It works!